Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to clear your cache files on your iPhone to free up space and boost your iPhone speed, so let's see how can you do that. So basically there is no any direct way to clear only cache files on your iPhone because iPhone has its own system. It can automatically detect and delete all the cache files of every app, or if you want to delete cache files or any junk files of any app, so you have to try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it from App Store. Or there's a second way, you have to offload your app. So for example, I'm going to open the settings, then go for general and then go for iPhone storage, and here you just have to look for the app for which you want to clear cache files or the junk files. So for example, I'm going to select Facebook. From here you have two different options. The first is that you have to tap on the offload app, then tap on it again. It will delete if there will be any junk files in your app, and then tap on the reinstall option. So it will completely reinstall the app, but it will not delete anything from your app. For example, if you have any account logged into your Facebook, so it will be not deleted in this tab. So here's the second way, you have to delete app. So you can uninstall app or delete app. From here, just select that option, or this option is not available for this app because it's reinstalling. So you just have to go back and select any other app from here. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just select the delete app option, then tap on delete. So it will completely delete the app. So in this way, you can easily delete any app or uninstall any app or clear the junk files of any app. Or if you want to clear the browser history, so you have to open your browser, and here, or you have the second, you have to open your settings, and then go for apps, then go for Safari app or the browser which you're using, and here you will get the option of clear history and website data. You have to select that option, then select all history, then select clear history option. So it will clear all the history and website data. So it might be that there will be any junk file in your website data, so it will be cleaned in this step. So in this way you can easily clear cache files on your iPhone to free up your space and boost your speed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.